Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting reels. So first of all, lots of people are asking that is there possible to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting reels? So the answer is directly no, but you can tag the people on Instagram after posting reel. So tag is the basically option which is similar like collaborator, but it's bits different. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can tag people on Instagram after posting reels. So you have to just simply open up Instagram application, and after opening up, you have to just simply open up your profile and go to the reels section. So here you guys can see I have lots of reels posted here. So I want to invite the collaborators on my first reel. So I have just tap on first reel. So after tapping on the first reel, now you have to just simply click on the three dots which is below to the share button. So after tapping on three dot, it will provide you such kind of interface. Here you have to just simply select the manage first option. So after tapping on manage, here it will ask you for edit. So you have to just simply click on edit. So after clicking on edit, now you guys can see there is an option which is below the caption, the tag people. So you have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, now you have to just simply click on tap plus button. So after tapping on plus, now you have to just simply add up the user in which you want to tag or invite as a collaborator. So you have to just simply tag them, and after that you have to just simply click on the tick on the top right. So after that, here you guys can be able to see in this way you guys can invite collaborator on Instagram after posting reels, and click on that tick button to confirm that. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.